Hello, Mark here again, and you need to download the IBFX. So you go to ibfx.com, select platform, and notice down here it says MT4, download MT4. And you just put in your first name, it's optional. Put in your email address, it's also optional. And then download the MT4. Once it's downloaded, we want to open it, select yes, select next, agree, install. Notice it's going to install on your C drive. That's where you want it to install. You don't want it to install anywhere else. And then hit finish. And if you want to start the IBFX Trader 4 now, we can do that.
Incoming mail.
Okay, I've got it opened up now. I've got a market watch here. I've got the navigator here. And I've got the Euro USD H1 opened up here, the H4, the IBFX link, the GP USD H4, and the trade terminal. So let's just go ahead and close some of these things down. Alright, so then we can just kind of click on the market watch, and you can see the market watch come up. Click on the data window, see the data window come up. Nothing's in there now because I don't have anything on the indicator list to place there. The navigator option file here, so you can see all of the programs that we have here. And then the terminal, which is down here, and it shows you what your account size is, etc. So we'll look at the trade volume and look at the account history. Over here I made 2 trades. The order numbers were, and then the time, the type was a sell or a buy trade. The size was one lot size, which was $10 per pip on this broker. Another one was 1.0, which was $10 per pip. So obviously I made almost 2 pips here and almost 60 pips here. So you can place a new order right here. Have to have a chart open, so we'll just go ahead and open up the Euro USD, and that's how you set up your account. So you can come in here under File, and you can open up an account anytime. Alright, so that's good enough for this part of the program, downloading it, and we'll go on with the next video coming up next. It'll be the third in the series of 3, so thank you for watching.